Hey everybody, I'm Laura and today we're going to go over Tandem Airplane Charleston.
In this video, you'll learn how to get in and out of airplane tandem, as well as a few cool snazzy moves and transitions in airplane tandem.
In this video, I'll be following and my good friend Tim Christopher will be leading. But first, Patreon. Thank you people of Patreon for helping to make this video free for everyone in the world, including people like you. If you want to join them, it's a voluntary subscription and the link is in the description. Helpful prerequisite videos are Tandem, Front-to-Front Airplane Charleston, and the S-Turn or Chase. Videos linked in the description. Okay, let's get into it. Tandem Airplane Charleston is just Airplane Charleston done in tandem position. Let's see it from a few angles. Now let's talk technique. There are a whole bunch of different handholds and arm positions that people use. If we're staying in tandem airplane for a second, my preferred is this straight arm thing. When I lead, the feeling is like stretching the follower's arm out in order to push into this extended arm.
Leaders, Tim is pushing into my palm as a way to find my middle and encourage me to continue or send me in a new direction. As a follow, I know this is airplane tandem and I keep my arms extended, so there's a direct line between the heel of my palm and my shoulder. After that, the mindset is the same as usual. I travel in the same direction until Tim catches me and redirects me.
Which he might not catch me. A common thing to do in tandem airplane is just to keep going in the same direction.
To communicate this clearly, leaders keep continuous pressure in the back of the follower's palm to encourage movement. As soon as that pressure disappears, I get suspicious that it's time to change directions. When it's time to change direction, change which palm you're applying the pressure to. Followers, it's all about that Zen mindset. Stay slow and consistent. Keep your shape. Let your hands talk to your hips. Keep your feet under you. The default is to continue in the same direction. Try not to search for the feeling. Let the feeling come to you.
I'm sorry, I sound so hippie when I talk about following, but it's a life of constant uncertainty. Think about connecting to yourself. Don't think about trying to figure out what the move is. Okay, let's get into it. An easy entrance is our good old friend, the S-turn/chase. Let's talk about technique.
The S-turn encourages a nice gradual turn. Tim gets out of my way. I keep my footwork moving under my butt as I attempt to smoothly continue my momentum both down the line and rotationally. After the rotation, Tim moves forward to create the airplane Charleston feeling. You can see it's inconvenient for him to get my right hand immediately, so he just picks it up as I turn around.
Note, I acknowledge when I do this move with AJ, there's a rock step. When I do this move with Tim, there is not a rock step. And I'm so sorry, but they're both totally right. It just depends on the rate of rotation. If you really want a gold star, try them both out. See if you can lead and follow the difference. An easy exit is basically just the tandem push out. check out the footwork.
Tim has to cheat his footwork to move from same foot to opposite foot. Check this out. 1, kick, 2, kick, 3, kick, rock step. Pretty.
Now for some fun, let's take the basic front-to-front airplane Charleston and convert it into tandem airplane Charleston. Let's talk about it.
First, keen eyes will notice that we're in crosshand left on top. When we kick out to the right, Tim slowly brings my left hand up and over. To prepare for that kick on the right foot, you can see that Tim moves further down the line. This helps him get out of my way and helps me know that something different is about to happen. Because I'm already going in a line for the basic airplane, I continue down the line. Because the turn is slow, I keep that kick, step, turn rhythm. The main thing here is not to panic. Move slow, and you kind of discover tandem airplane position. Since I'm coming from a turn, it's easy for Tim to find my right shoulder instead of that straight arm position we talked about earlier. Totally fine. We're making a swift exit. It works.
Now can you take this and make it back into front-to-front airplane Charleston? Try it out and see. Challenge! And now for the love of the game, here are a bunch of fun transitions and moves that Tim and I made up. You know we're not gonna break them down, but use that settings icon in the bottom right to slow this video down and learn it at your own pace. Airplane Charleston has this nice steady groove that is full of possibilities, and once you get familiar with that position, you will notice entrances and exits all over the place. There you go. If you see me on the dance floor, I hope we do Airplane Charleston together. I hope you had fun and learned a lot. If you did, click like and subscribe and comment and blah, blah, blah. If you like the music, it's the Prumo Orchestra, and you can find a link to it in the description, and half of the money that I get from this YouTube channel goes towards organizations that support African diasporic artists and art to honor the founders of this dance. And the best way to learn to dance is to dance.
Oh!
Right? Right?
Hey!
I don't think you can do it.
I think you can.